Hello and welcome to ENGLIO. In today's lesson, you will learn 25 common homophones, words that sound the same but have different meanings. We will also look at some examples for a better understanding. So let's get started. Lesson number 7, word number 1. Two, two. Two. It means the number of two. For example, I have two sisters. Two. It means also. For example, I want to come too. Word number 2. Sea, sea. Sea. It means a large body of salt water. For example, the sea is very calm today. Sea. It means to look at something. For example, I can see the stars. Word number 3. Right, right. Right. It means correct. For example, your answer is right. Next is right. For example, to put words on paper. For example, please write your name. Word number 4. Son, son. Son. It means a male child. For example, my son is 10 years old. Next is sun. It means the star that gives us light. For example, the sun rises in the east. Word number 5. Flower, flower. Flower. It means the colorful part of a plant. For example, she picked a beautiful flower. Next is flour. It means powder used for making bread. For example, we need flour for baking a bread. Word number 6. Blue, blue. Blue, it means a color like the sky. For example, the sky is bright blue today. Blue, it means past tense of blow. For example, the strong wind blew my hat off. Word number 7. Meet, meet, meet. It means to come face to face with someone. For example, let's meet at the park. Next is meat. It means flesh of an animal used as food. For example, I don't eat meat anymore. Word number 8. Break, break. Break, it means to smash or split into pieces. For example, be careful not to break that glass. Brake, it means device used to stop a vehicle. For example, he pressed the brake to stop the car. Word number 9. New, new. New, it means not old or recently made. For example, I bought a new phone yesterday. New, it means past tense of now. For example, I knew the answer to his question. Word number 10. Week, week, week. It means a period of 7 days. For example, there are 7 days in a week. Next is weak. It means lacking physical strength. For example, he felt weak after the fever. Word number 11. Eye, eye, eye. It means the organ used for seeing. For example, she has beautiful blue eyes. Eye. It means used to refer to oneself. For example, I am learning English. Word number 12. For, for, for. It means intended to belong to or be used by. For example, the gift is for you. For 4. It means the number of 4. For example, a car has 4 wheels. Word number 13. Buy, buy. Buy, it means to get something by paying money. For example, I want to buy some fruits. Buy, it means near or beside something. For example, the house is built by the river. Word number 14. Plain, plain, plain. It means simple or clear. For example, he prefers wearing a plain white t-shirt. Plain, it means an aeroplane. For example, the plane landed safely at the airport. Word number 15. Deer, deer, deer. It means a fast running wild animal. For example, we saw a deer in the forest. Dear, it means loved or precious. For example, she is a very dear friend of mine. Word number 16. Hole, hole, hole. It means an opening or hollow space. For example, there is a hole in my pocket. Whole, it means complete or entire. For example, he ate the whole pizza. Word number 17. Piece, piece, piece. It means a portion or part of something. For example, can I have a piece of cake? Peace. It means quiet and calm. freedom from a war. For example, everyone wants peace. Word number 18. Hair, hair. Hair, it means threads growing from the skin. For example, she has long black hair. Hair, it means an animal like a large rabbit. For example, the hare runs very fast. Word number 19. Steal, steal, steal. It means to take something without permission. For example, it is wrong to steal someone's property. Steel. It means a strong hard metal. For example, the bridge is made of solid steel. Word number 20. No, no. No. It means used to express denial or refusal. For example, there is no milk in the fridge. No. It means to have information or knowledge. For example, do you know the way to the station? Word number 21. Allowed, allowed, allowed. It means having permission to do something. For example, smoking is not allowed inside the building. Allowed. It means in a voice that can be heard. For example, please read the paragraph aloud. Word number 22. Weather, weather, weather. It means the state of atmosphere. For example, the weather is very pleasant. Weather. It means expressing a doubt or choice. For example, I don't know whether it will rain or not. Word number 23. Wood, wood, wood. It means the material that trees are made of. For example, this table is made of solid wood. Wood. It means used to talk about the future. For example, he said he would help us tomorrow. Word 23. Waste, waste, waste. It means to use carelessly or throw away. For example, do not waste your time. Waist. It means the part of the body above the hips. For example, he wore a leather belt around his waist. Word 24. Pair, pair, pair. It means a set of two things that used. For example, I bought a new pair of shoes. Pear. It means a sweet yellowish green fruit. For example, she ate a juice pear. Word 25. Mail, mail, mail. It means letters or parcels sent by post. For example, I received an important mail. Male. For it means relating to the masculine sex. For example, the male bird has bright feathers. So guys, thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more easy English vocabulary and speaking lessons. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye.